Hello my YouTube friends, we are back in my house. We are going to make baked ziti. This is something that is very Italian American, especially if you're Sicilian. A lot of my friends who are Sicilian, this brings fond memories of their Nonna making baked ziti. And so I'm gonna make my version, which I wanted to make very easy and very accessible and just really something that'll bring your family together. So let's start and let's make baked ziti. First things first, I'm gonna start with apparently nothing because the can opener is not working. I'm going to start with Italian tomatoes. These are not the same tomatoes we use at the restaurant, but at the restaurant we use the 10-pound cans, and we are not cooking for that many people, okay? So here we go. I have Italian imported tomatoes. These are crushed, and this is gonna be super easy, okay? Into the tomatoes, I'm gonna add 2 full tablespoons of garlic confit, which, if you know me, you know. I'm gonna add about 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm gonna say salt to your taste, depending on what salt you use. A tablespoon of onion powder, a pinch of pepper flakes, right in there. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is how my Nonna cooked. Now we're going to add in some grass-fed ground beef. It doesn't have to be grass-fed, but I'll tell you what, you want to not drain it because you want all of that flavor in there. This is 85-15. So I'm going to just stir this all up. I'm kind of gonna mash up the garlic a little bit, but I like chunks of garlic. So I'm gonna stir this up first. So now I'm going to add in the rigatoni. It's actually not ziti now that I think of it, but I like rigatoni. It's just the fat cousin of ziti. And when I cooked this, I only cooked it for 8 minutes. So you can tell that it is al dente, okay? So I'm also gonna add a drizzle of olive oil, just like that. It's probably just a couple tablespoons, but my garlic confit wasn't as oily as I usually like it. So right in there. Now we're gonna mix it up. So we got everything mixed up. Now all I'm going to do is just put it in a baking dish, and then we're gonna top it with mozzarella and parm. The thing that I love about this too is, like, you know, Italians really aren't fussy. And I kept it more traditional by not adding a bunch of spices, not simmering the sauce for a really long time, because it's gonna cook in the oven anyways. And that's why I also left the pasta al dente, so that you're not getting, you know, pasta mush. I hate that. Instead, it's gonna be flavorful and bright and delicious. This is why I tried to make it as easy as possible, but also as delicious as possible. Okay, so now we are ripping up just good chunky pieces of mozzarella. This is fresh mozzarella. I just really love fresh mozzarella. The texture of it is so, so good. So delicious. Nunzio's upset. He woke up. His pasta's not ready. Okay, so now we're gonna top it with lots and lots of Parmigiano Reggiano. It's gonna give it that crisp crust with the softness of the fresh mozzarella. And listen, don't come at me and be like, Mila, that sauce is raw. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in the oven at 350. So we are going to make sure that it has time to cook and all the flavors come together, and it's gonna be so freaking good. It's beautiful. The time has come, my friends, to bust into this bad boy. Oh, I always like to get the corner. I'm the person that likes the crispy corner of the lasagna. This is no different. Get back over there. I'm getting the perfect bite. Oh yeah, cheese. Why is this so difficult? Oh my God, I got a big old hunk of garlic. Have fun kissing me later, Matt. Uh-oh. Do you hear that heavy breathing? It's Nunzio. Look at this. Taking a bite.
No.
I just feel like everything just went crazy all at once as soon as I took this bite. But let me tell you, this tastes like comfort in a pan, guys. It's so flipping good. You want some Nunes? All right, well, here it is. This is the end, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Nunzio's telling you to. Let me know if you make this or any other of my recipes. I love you. Don't forget, Tanti Baci, baby.